Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. What do you mean?
To the side.
Be here, you
You better be here.
आपको हमारी No, okay, sorry guys. This vlog will be purely in English. We are trying to speak in
इसीलिए
English.
मैं sorry. That's the reason I speak less in this vlog.
And the time, guys, right now. Wait a second. 4:24 a.m.
So guys, this is our dedication that we are vlogging.
Okay, so we'll be playing that heads up one game. We'll do this, tick, 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 tick. Okay, so who will take the first chance?
You. Okay, we'll do 1, 2.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Who?
Me.
Okay. First.
First, I am not checking the clip, but I'll trust her. Okay, we'll start.
Category is fashion, etc. So, start. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so this is a thing what you wear in your foot.
Shoes,
No.
slippers.
Yeah. Correct. Yeah. You won't get it. Pass. But okay, this is for correct and this is for pass. Okay. This is what I wear under my pants.
Shorts.
Yeah, tights. Yeah. Okay, good. This is a thing that people wear at times of presentation. When they
Formals.
wear formal,
Formals.
when they wear
Belt.
formals. Something
Shirt.
else. Guys wear it.
Trousers.
Even girls wear it. What am I saying?
Trousers.
No. Yeah. Around the neck.
Chin.
Yeah, formals. With the formals. Tie. Pass. This is what you will wear at your...
Varmalas.
No.
Flowers.
It's over. It's over between us, guys.
Okay, 2 correct and 2 passes.
Tie, you didn't get the tie.
Sorry, bro.
And this last one was wedding dress.
Acha, okay.
Yeah. Now it's
No,
my
it's
time.
suspenders.
That we skipped.
Okay.
You'll teach me. Sorry, guys. We are not drunk. Our families don't allow that.
What do you want? Cosmetics?
I try. See.
Guys, you can see by my eyes that I'm sleep deprived.
See by my eye.
And at this late of night, she has told me to apply makeup. Fast. Oh, sorry, bro. Guys, if you don't know, she has got hurt.
Yeah, they don't need to know. Animals I'm doing, okay?
Okay.
Should I not?
Hey, you do you.
Okay. You have to make me guess.
Why are you doing 90 seconds? I did it in 60 seconds. Hey, this is pure cheating.
Guys, get ready.
Okay, but I have more time. Okay. This is too difficult.
Yes, it was Panther. And Pele. I saw it. Let's skip this.
I
Guys,
said cosmetics. This is the
agar-
thing I can explain.
Guys, guys,
She got a
if-
penalty. Okay, we'll
guys,
give penalty for not
shut up.
speaking in English.
Guys, if I want to insult her in my language, I would like to say Kachi Padeche.
Never mind.
We can do fashion again.
Oh, okay. I have no problem. Yeah, thanks.
Get ready, guys.
3, 2, 1. Tip your phone vertically. Get ready. Why is it not starting? Okay. We wear this in winter. It has a zip. You don't own any-
Sweater.
Huh. It's not done. Do it properly. Abey,
Guys, my time is being wasted.
okay. the thing you want all of us to dance?
Farewell.
Wait, no. Future.
My wedding.
Yeah. What is the dress?
Wedding dress.
Yeah, exactly.
Wait.
I skipped. Pass. It was very difficult. You wear this in hands.
Gloves.
Mostly after getting married, you have to wear it for a long time.
Chuda.
Why am
Bangles.
I showing?
Bangles. What is this behavior?
Same one, you wear it in winters mostly. You bought one from the Chakka.
Jacket. Denim jacket.
What is this? She got more.
I got, guys. This
6
is my
correct
list.
and 2 passes. I was good in explaining. Yeah, guys.
Cardigan. She couldn't explain
But
cardigan.
cardigan, this all
Bengal. Why did it go for lost?
Huh?
What is?
This app is not working. This is a shitty thing.
Just because she lost.
How did I lose? You were kachi padi.
Okay, again, next round.
We'll do
guys.
food.
Next
Food.
round.
Heads up 60. Done. 3, 2, 1.
This is very famous in Xavier's canteen.
Puff. I don't know what's famous in Xavier's.
You don't know that?
Nah. See, she's taking time.
Pass.
Then I
That
lose
is
only.
correct.
Okay.
Not correct for you. Nonsense. Pass. You don't like it, but your mom makes it in breakfast.
Paratha.
Not vegetarian.
Omelette.
Version of it. The
Boiled
main
egg.
product. Egg. Correct.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. This is the thing that Kushi likes the most. In chocolates.
Brownie.
Chocolate.
Kit Kat.
Which chocolate? Type of. If Kit Kat is
Dark
specified
chocolate.
थोड़ी ऐसे, हाँ. Correct. Jaldi.
Kushi, I love it.
What? Anar in English.
Pomegranate. Pomegranate.
Khatam word.
Why do I get 4 only? And why did you skip hot dog?
Told you Xavier's my famous chair.
She is again speaking in Gujarati.
Guys, મારી માતૃભાષા છે ને હું ફક્ત ને ફક્ત
Shut
ગુજરાતીમાં જ બોલીશ.
up. I can't speak bad words right now. I don't speak also.
She cusses a lot, guys.
Do you think? Do you really think? Okay. I'll get cringe after 4-5 months when I'm coming back to.
4-5 months?
In 1 month when I'll be watching.
4-5 days.
When I'm editing, the time I'm editing, I get cringe. Half of the videos are not
She's
uploaded on.
accepting that she takes 4-5 months to edit her single vlog. Okay, I'll do food again. Was it food?
Yes. You don't say हाँ. हाँ is a Gujarati word.
Also Hindi word.
Please.
Ready, guys.
Ruchi. You don't need this. Like you don't. Skip. I don't want to expose her. It's gravy. It's gravy. Pure gravy. It's gravy. It's gone. We get in McD for breakfast, but we had never had it.
McFlurry.
No. Why?
Bol jaldi.
Why is she getting all the American things? It's bagel. How do I explain her bagel? Cheddar cheese. Okay. You drink it the most.
Cha. Tea.
But still you don't have it in your bones.
Milk.
Ah.
It was correct.
Okay. We get this in burger.
Mayonnaise, cheese.
Burger.
Patty.
Lettuce.
Wow. Only lettuce we get in burger only. I got one right.
We don't know clearly how
One
to play
thing
this
we
game.
don't eat.
Game.
Okay. 0 correct, 7 passes. Fresh onion soup. Why did you skip it though?
This all did came only. The things
Tada.
were hash brown. Then bagel, that all I said.
and non-vegetarian things. that I don't
Emotions
eat.
and expressions. Fun
Need
thing
to try.
You
Need to
try
try.
it first. I
Okay.
get all the good ones. You get all the dirty ones.
Ready, guys.
Okay. You are always that on me.
Is it emotion?
Angry.
Angry.
No. Psychopathic. Fast. Arey, that was not the answer I was trying to explain you.
Then what was the answer?
Mad.
Okay.
It is mad. This is a taste.
Sir.
A bhare word for
Anger.
more bhare word.
For anger.
Like
Rage. Rage.
exact. Bro, I love you. You get after doing it sleepovers. You get after.
Scold.
No, it is not legal here.
Okay, alcohol.
I'm good. You are this.
It's over. What was that? Bunny. Rabbit.
EVIL.
How is it evil like this?
I don't know.
Evil got bunny ears.
I was
Demon,
doing
guys.
singlas, guys.
Demon.
Please.
My God. Mwah. To correct two passes, guys. Now it's Bless's turn. Pehle, I think the first one gets only 4 passes.
Second one, why does it get 6?
The thing that you don't get at all. Emotion wise, which I get the most.
Cry.
On people.
Angry. Patience.
The word that you had for me. The first one.
Mad.
Yeah. Correct. Yeah. This is the thing I show for you.
Love.
No.
Care.
No. She thinks so highly of herself. For the people, for my friends who live in PG and all, like, I don't feel that for
Caringness.
for which
sharingness.
Kushi doesn't like people to show her.
Emotions.
Skip. Pity.
What was-
Pity.
Okay.
This is what I get after talking to people for 4-5 months.
Attachment.
Bored. This is I with people. Finish.
What are you with people?
Tough.
Tough.
So guys, the words are mad. Then pity. Kushi doesn't like people giving pity on her or sympathy.
Why are you exposing her? This is not a channel.
And more I get of people in some time. I don't like to make new friends.
And the thing near to that is she gets attached to people very fast.
quickly.
But she gets bored also. How is this possible?
That is
Can you
possible.
explain
Yeah,
this to
it
me?
is possible.
How?
I get attached to people very quickly if
But
they show
I also
affection.
get bored with people very quickly.
If they show affection to me, like if they if they give me full attention for 3 to 4 days, even for 3 to 4 days, and after seeing their loyalty, I get attached to them. But after that, once,
Please fast.
I don't want to say such things.
Okay, we'll keep that private.
Yeah, I get bored.
See the toxic behavior of my friend.
It's a complicated thing even for me.
I got my hair cut, but now I'm looking jungly.
Man, please forgive me, guys.
Please.
I'd like to keep my mouth shut. As in,
Please do this
like
forever.
this.
We'll do in the kitchen. Heads up 60. Do you want this? Keep it. Wait. I get 1 pass for Gujarati, okay? People keep their boyfriends and girlfriends after breakup.
But what?
Kitchen things.
Kitchen things.
People keep their girlfriends after breakup or serious things.
Their girlfriend.
You have not read that in newspapers?
Fridge.
Refrigerator.
I skipped it. Okay, it's okay. I'll consider
The
it.
thing Kushi makes for your birthday, not thing, that is a
Brownie.
food. Nah, but what is used, the powder that is used for making
Baking soda, baking powder.
That keeps our food warm.
Oven,
We can play
microwave,
ball with it.
foil.
We keep it in
Oven tray.
No, it is a thing to do. Leave it. It is baking. How is this a kitchen thing? The one you guessed.
Oven tray.
Where only oven.
Oven.
I like to eat my noodles with it.
It's over.
But I like to eat my noodles with it. Or everything with it.
Szechuan chutney. Okay, spoon.
I eat noodles with spoon.
Fork.
Huh.
She has eaten noodles with spoon, so
I had to because there was no fork. Folk dance.
which you don't know.
I don't know any dance.
Guys, she is Christian, so she can't do a folk dance. Even though she's Gujarati, she can't do her folk dance. Irony. Guys, religion में नहीं जाने का. हाँ भाई, ये बात बहुत गलत है. बर्बाद हो जाएगा guys.
One more time if she speaks in Gujarati.
Guys, this is not because I spoke in Gujarati. This is because. So guys, this is because I brought a religion in between this. So guys, you should not bring people's religion in between of these, like just random. For TRP and content, you should not bring your friend's image and all. Rona sir. If you know, you know.
Don't know.
How do they know?
I don't know. She's the one who cusses, not me.
When did I cuss?
I'll play that thing in loud volume so people can hear you.
Nice English though.
This was my idea to speak.
Yeah,
I do speak good English, but I pretend that I don't know good English.
So now, the video from now will speak Baba English.
I can't. I only know professional English.
Yeah, you speak professional. That will sound like Baba English.
Ruchi.
She makes me remember.
She says things that are not meant to be in this video.
There are controversial.
She did controversy right now.
Hmm?
Huh. You did.
Not as big as my life though.
What is with my hair?
Then I want to repeat the thing that I wanted to be main character in my life, like a serial or a picture, but not of Tarak Mehta, guys. Guys, so we thought first that we would do a podcast challenge, but
Speak fast. People are getting bored.
then
they
you
might
should
be-
speak.
This is. Do you know what time is it? 4:43
Just-
in the morning.
Just because she has to speak in English, that's the reason she is keeping quiet.
Okay. I have no problem. People say things about me that are not even true, so she can say I love her.
People say things which are true, but they should not say that. So you don't have a problem with it. And you can't even have a problem with it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So they're not at all right or true.
True.
People are true
Uh-huh.
and right, doing wrong things.
Right, bro.
If you know, you know. No one will know.
Why will you?
Yeah. Guys, two girls at this moment at 4:30, people would think badly of us. They should.
Why is she speaking too much? Just because I said that speak. You don't need to speak facts.
Bro, only spill facts.
We'll keep this video till here, guys.
So guys, yeah, so the thing was we wanted to do a podcast challenge, but then I had a thought that who will listen to our podcast. So in this,
We made up this thing to do a podcast.
so a little gachad pachad in between the challenge video. So we hope you enjoy it. We'll keep it till here. Thanks
Because
for
people have said that your videos are too long. No one will watch this.
personally, if I say I like watching long videos.
Okay, we'll keep this video
So,
till here. See you in
we'll
the
keep-
next vlog.
Thanks for watching. Bye bye. So,
We are back.
so guys, bless you is a confession to make. What were you saying? Now she can speak in Gujarati, guys.
मैम कुछ फिर उसे इंग्लिश में तो एक बार बोली है पर की खबर ना पड़ी प्लीज डोंट रिपीट
But શું?
પણ નહીં નથી મારે કેવું
Please
સાંભળ
give context.
લાઈક પીપલ વોન્ટ ટુ હિયર ને આ તેન
Okay.
હા
જીવનમાં ના ખબર પડી કે
અરે
લોકો
યાર
શું કરી
બસ
ગયા.
જી અચ્છા ઓકે એ સેન્સમાં તું કહેતી મને તું મને કહી રહી છે
ના તને
આઈ
કેમ
ગોટ
કહીશ?
ઓફેન્ડેડ એટલે મારું રિએક્શન પછીના વિડીયોમાં આમ હતું
ના. It
Okay.
was about
other people okay so then I am okay
તો તું મારો ભાઈબંધ. ભાઈઓ ભેગા રહેશો તો પ્રેમ વધશે.
એટલે વચ્ચે This is-
Okay. Bye guys.